Welcome to Croptune, your nitrogen lab in your hand. Before taking your first photo, we recommend watching our tutorial video in the Knowledge Center. After watching our tutorial video, go back to the main screen and tap the camera icon to start a nitrogen test. Croptune will calibrate your location in the background. Just give it a moment. You'll then be asked to take 5 representative leaf photos within 1 square meter. That's it. 5 simple photos, and the app does the rest. If you need to improve one, you can easily delete and retake it. Once uploaded, Croptune connects to the cloud to analyze your images. If you're in an area with weak reception, don't worry. The app will automatically upload the photos when the connection improves. You can continue to take photos of other leaves, and later you will find the results in the history panel. Croptune uses a simple color chart system to show nitrogen levels. Green means you're good. Yellow or red means action is needed. Tap our recommendations to see exactly what your crop needs. Want to share the results with your team? Tap Share Location to send the test data and GPS position. From the home screen, tap the clock icon to view your full sampling history. Tap the graph icon to track nitrogen trends over time in your fields. When a new season begins, just tap the New Season button. Choose your crop and update your field info. And that's it. With just a few taps, Croptune helps you fertilize smarter, grow better, and save money. Croptune, nitrogen lab in your hand.